You would need calamansi or lemon, garlic, day-old cooked rice, annatto or atswete seeds, salt, pepper, sugar, soy sauce. In the cooking oil, add the annatto or atswete seeds. When the cooking oil is color dark yellow, you can remove the annatto seeds from the oil. Put the crushed garlic. Add the rice. Salt. Pepper. Sugar. Soy sauce. Mix them together using a metal spoon. Squeeze the lemon or calamansi over the rice. Partner it with your favorite meat. I cooked some beef loaf. I also made champorado or chocolate porridge. So here is my meal for today.